Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fantabby-dozy day today. Today we're going to start looking at, oh God, I can't believe it, it's the 1st of November, but we're going to start looking at Christmas prezzy options. Maybe a cheeky little gift to yourself. Yes, that's right, it's the 1st of November. And we're starting to look at Christmas prezzies. Now you may have already started, but there's absolutely no denying at this time of year, 2 months out from Christmas still, really, the deals have started to come through. Now I don't usually do gift guides for under like $100, $500, $1,000, all of that kind of stuff. There are people out here on the interwebs who do that kind of thing so much better than me. I'm looking at you, Autumn Beckman, to name but one, but I have just recently taken advantage of a cracking deal and I wanted to share that with you gorgeous people of the interwebs. Do you like my dealy boppers? These are still out because they were the one bit from Vlogmas last year that I missed when I packed everything up. So these have been up on my shelf this whole time. Okay, right, I am a big fan of Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. I use this twice a day. This isn't cheap stuff. It is fairly pricey. And so when I see an opportunity to bulk buy effectively this and save some cash, I do just that. I'm going to do everything in pounds because the deal I found is in the UK. It is with John Lewis, obviously, because I basically don't shop anywhere else. And I'm going to go through some of the pricings and the deal, and I'll share a link down below to the John Lewis gift deal thing. I am not affiliated to Estée Lauder or John Lewis, so this is just because I'm a massive fan of both of them. So this is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, and I'm going to give you some measurements and prices in the UK at John Lewis as it stands. A 30ml bottle of this stuff will cost you £64. That's at £213.33 per 100 millilitres. A 50ml bottle will cost you £86, and that's at £172 per 100 millilitres. And then the biggest bottle they do is a 75ml, and that will cost you a, what was that, 115, I think, I scrolled down, £115, which is £153.33 per 100 millilitres. So obviously the bigger you can go, the more cost effective this stuff is. Now, come Christmas, you start getting little gift boxes and things like that. This gift box is this stuff in a 30ml and two 15mls. So this equates to 60 millilitres, which is not a bottle size that you can buy off the shelf, but the closest thing is the 50 millilitres. So the 50 millilitres for this was £86. This set is £64 for 60 millilitres. So you get 10 mils more at £64 than you do for the 50 millilitres at £86. So that in itself is a bit of a bargain. So if you use this product already, like I do, twice a day, morning and evening, then it's an absolute no-brainer to buy this. Now, they are running a promotion at the moment, John Lewis is. I've checked it today. I'm filming this on Monday. This video is going out on Tuesday, so that promotion should still be active, and that promotion is for a gift box, gift set, which you can buy on its own for £368.98, and it is this gift box. We're going to open it and have a look at these goodies, but there you go. It's pretty big, it's pretty massive, and this gift box has got this in it, 30ml. Now remember, the 30ml on its own was £64. So you can get an understanding of why this gift box is £368, let's call it 370 for the sake of rounding up. So remember, a 30ml bottle of this stuff is £64 on its own. This set for 60ml in total was £64, and because it was over that £50 benchmark, I was able to add to cart, add all of this stuff for £75. So it wasn't a free gift, but it feels near as damn it, because that on its own is £64. So that means 11 quid for the rest of it. And I think that is a cracking bargain. Now, it may be that there's not everything in here that I would end up using. I already have an idea that I'm going to use this big bag here to collect all of my beauty products for when we move and have them all in one place, because they're kind of scattered everywhere at the moment. So let's get into the box and actually take a look at these products. No unnecessary plastics, yay! Little bit of unnecessary plastic, and again on the hardware. Let's see what is inside this really lovely bag. Actually, this is great. It's a massive size as well. Be brilliant for moving. Oh, buttery smooth. Okay, here we go, kids. Ooh. It's a box. Okay. Right, cardboard. Okay, so clearly that box could have been smaller, because that's just two empty slots. So we've got that. So half of the size of the box was actually taken up with product. So let's have a look. It's like pass the parcel, and everything is in, you can see, Estée Lauder paper. Okay, so this is the makeup palette. We have got eyes, reflect, eyes, reflect, eyes and reflect. Okay, so it's Pure Colour Envy eyeshadow palette in Enchanted Glam. Let's see, is it Enchanted Glam? What do you think of those colours? I think they're pretty good, actually. They're quite universal. I'll definitely give those a go. So this is the Estée Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I've used this year and I really enjoyed it. I thought it was a really good product. Well, this is the full size night repair cream, eye cream, and I use this every day as well, twice a day, so that is brilliant. We have, oops, eyeliner pencil in black, double wear eyeliner. We have the Sumptuous Extreme Mascara in colour number 1, Extreme Black. And look at this lip gloss. Smells pretty nice as well. If you're into your lip glosses, this looks like a particularly good one. This is your travel size Advanced Night Repair, and this is your full size 30ml Advanced Night Repair. And here we've got two lipsticks with these kind of snowflake patterns on them. One of them is, they're both Pure Colour Envy. One is in colour 340 Envious, and this one is in 440 Irresistible. Let's have a little look. Wow, that looks very dark brown to me. Actually, It's less brown on the swatch, but it is quite brown still. Look at the pattern engraved on that lipstick. Gorgeous. Really, 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 really gorgeous. Let's have a look at the other one. Wow, that is a dark, rich red. And again, look at the pattern engraved into it. Wowee. Okay, let's try this here. Hello. This is the Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Creme. Smells absolutely divine. Also, absolutely great size to pop into your Louis Vuitton Nice BB or similar when you go travelling. This is the Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream, but in a smaller travel. So that must be a full size one. And then a smaller travel one. This is the travel size for the eye cream, the Advanced Night Repair eye cream. All in all, those products with the bag as well, that is a great deal. That is a great deal for £75. I've just finished opening all of these goodies and I have to say I'm really, really impressed. I'm impressed because last year we had lots of unnecessary plastics in the box. Everything was in like a shaped bit of plastic and you had to pop them out like you would those toys that you would pop out and then build together. Massive, massive brownie points to Estée Lauder for not using unnecessary single-use plastics in their packaging this year. Bravo, bravo. Also, I have to say it was extremely satisfying unwrapping things one by one from the tissue paper and the boxes. That was really, that felt like I was unwrapping gifts rather than taking it all out in one go in that plastic case and then having to fight and break a nail trying to pull things out of it. So yeah, really, really impressed. Back to the main show. Okay, so I had to fork out in total £139 up front, which isn't inconsiderable, but I already know that I love these. I love this product. It is absolutely amazing, and effectively all I've bought is a load of product that I know that I'm going to use, and then I've got loads of other stuff for basically another 11 quid. So I think that is an absolutely cracking deal. Whether you decide to go for something like this and buy it for yourself, so you give yourself a little bit of a treaty treat, or if you have got a family member or someone like that, someone in your life who loves these products, you could even buy a set like this and break it down. Okay, it depends on whether you want to share the packaging or not. You could keep the big one for yourself and put the little ones in as stocking fillers for other people who do not yet know and understand the miracle product that is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. And the same goes for the gift box. You don't necessarily have to keep all of these. You can put these little tester ones here in stocking fillers for other people and just keep the products that you want. Either way, it is an absolutely cracking deal. So I'll have all of that linked down in the comment section. No, I won't, in the description box down below. None of the links down below for John Lewis will be affiliate links because I am not an affiliate with them, so I don't make anything off the back of this. I am just purely telling you this out of the sheer love of the products and spotting a good deal. Now I am aware that this deal is John Lewis and John Lewis is UK based. Look in your local department stores in your country because I'm pretty sure we're coming to that time of year now and we've got Black Friday coming up as well. So I'm pretty sure there will be deals like this. This was really just a quick video to share this amazing deal with you. Super quick while it is fresh and hot off the press. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's been helpful. Let me know if you decide to go for it or if you're going to go and look in your local country for a similar deal. And if you did enjoy this video, please show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Not yet. It's too soon. It's too soon. It's too soon.